Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Neha. In previous video we saw how to identify our body shape. In this video we will see how to dress our body according to our body shape. This video is specifically for Indian women. How you can dress your body according to your body shape in the Indian dresses. So do not waste the time and let's start it. First we will see pear shape. If you have a pear-shaped body, then you can wear A-line ankle length kurta, floor length anarkali with the flare, empire waist anarkali, kurti with the collar, yoke designs, heavily embroidery neckline. Draw attention to the upper body. The embroidery neck will give you the attention to the upper body. And you can pair patiala salwars also, chudidar, chunni with the long A-line kurta. This will hide your bottoms and thighs. And next you can wear necklines like bot neck, scope neck, sweetheart neck, square neck, and many more. Like a shoulders and accurate. This will give your shoulder accurate proportion to the bust. So what you should avoid it to wear a short and skinny high kurtas. You can avoid to wear skinny high kurtas. In saris you can wear, like the fabric you can wear in saris, chiffon, soft silk and georgette to balance to your upper body and lower body. In the category of lehenga, in Indian lehenga especially we wear this in our marriages. So in shadis, in the festivals like Diwali, so in lehenga you can wear a flare panel length or a line lehenga with not too much heavy flare. इससे कुर्ते जिसको ज़्यादा हेवी. Okay, next body type is hourglass body type. In this body type, Indian woman can wear ankle length or floor length anarkali, tire at the waist and heavy flares starting after the waistline. And necklines like a scope neck, sweet necks, high collar, V neck, and halter neck, and flatten your. This will flatter your body shape. Woman with the big bosoms and heavy arms. Shoulder avoid to have a halter necks. Okay. In sari you can wear a fabric like georgette, chiffon, crepe, and knit fabric. Fall fall wall at your curviness figure. In at blouse you can wear V neck lines, scope neck, strapless blouses you can wear. In shadis you can wear lehenga like fishtail, straight cut or A-line lehenga to compare your figure. Now we will turn to the third body type. It's a rectangular figure. In this figure type of a ladies, Indian ladies can wear a layered empire waist or a jacket, lots of jacket style, and a long anarkali with lots of cullies at the huge area to add the volume and the create some curves. The anarkalis with the lots of cullies will increase your volume, create some curves. You can also go for the sleeves anarkali with the suits to show off your beautiful arms. And next you can wear the pleated kurti with the printed leggings. You can wear a fleeted, belted or any printed kurtis. In necklines you can use collar neckline, turtle, high neck, scope necklines. In saris, like you can use the fabric of cotton, brocade, tissue and gorenza. In sari blouses you can wear the neckline like a torted, V neck, boat neck and slope neck. Now we will turn to the fourth body type. It's inverted triangle. In inverted triangle kind of a body shape if you have, then you can wear a silver salwar kurti kameez with the heavy embroideries. Wear a heavy embroideries kurta, salwar, dupatta. It will look good on you. Tailor jacket which is fitted to you. And wap style generally goes very well on you. A line and pants with the detail hips. The pants which is having a detail on their hips can give you more specific look. Go for a heavy embroidered in your dress, which will give add the volume to your bust and shoulder, taking off attention from the hips. In Indo-Western style line kurta pants, you can wear all these things in this. If you want to wear a sari, in sari you can wear a fabric like chiffon, georgette, and then go to the lehengas. In lehengas you should wear a heavy embroidered lehenga with the heavy embroidered dupatta. It will looks good on you. So this is how you can wear your Indian clothes according to your body type. Thank you.